If you're pretty new to content creation as well as content monetization, one thing that's pretty dicey is being able to track how close you are to qualifying to monetize your channel or your Facebook account. It's to that cause that I felt I need to do this video so as to show you where you have to check from how far you've gone and how much you have actually pushed. How you can actually check whether you're close to being invited to monetizing your content as well as your Facebook page. Let's take a ride into this. Now, before I forget, let me just indicate this. What you need to do is you do this on your phone, not on your laptop. And once you activate what I'm going to show you, you will be able to track your progress towards monetization. Okay, so what you need to do is you apply for monetization. So where do you do that from? First of all, what you do is create a message. That's actually a composition of the response that you're going to give to Meta when you happen to be asked, why do you want to join the monetization program on Facebook? Right? So I'm gonna click here where it says professional dashboard. And when I'm here, I check in the top right, I click monetize. And then you swipe left. And when you get to this part where you're going to find words like submit your interest, form for content monetization. So you click here. Remember what I said? I said you have to create a response. So take note of what your content is all about and then indicate to them. The reason why you want to join the monetization program is because you want to do this and that. Okay, you want to educate people about this and that. Yeah, that will actually be based on what you do. Okay, so then when you get here, paste in your, or you can simply type in your the reason, right? Type in the reason why you want to be accepted into the monetization program. And then here you need to check in the boxes. Yeah, so what you do is you click the downward pointing arrow and then you indicate what kind of a content creator are you. I'm an artist, I'm an author, and then I'm a digital creator, I'm an entrepreneur. Then we check on these others, right? Personal blog, public figure. I'm not a scientist. I'm a scientist. I'm a physics and math teacher, but I'm not gonna check in that because that's not what I do on this page. I have a specific page where I post videos on physics and math. Once I'm done, I'm gonna click done, and then here you need to select the content format that you post. So you click the downward pointing arrow and you're gonna see these options: reels, photos, text post, stories. All these actually are accepted by Facebook. So you click done. Facebook leverages so many formats of content, so just select them all. Then if you have an account on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, what you do is you click here, say, and then you'll be prompted to punch in the username of your account on Instagram, TikTok, or the username on YouTube. So click the downward pointing arrow, then you choose the platform. Okay, let's see, the crypto streamer, Laisha. All right, number of followers, I have about 647 followers. Those are subscribers. And then when you're done with whatever you're doing, you can now hit submit. Boom. All right, so the interest has actually been submitted. After you do this, you will now be able to track your progress towards monetization, right? Let me go back, then come back later. I refresh, then hit monetize, right? So check out, the showing is the average rewatch time. This is what I got. Similar monetizing creators, they go up to 16.3 seconds. This is the watch time, right? Not that bad, and I haven't been posting consistently. Here we check on total views on your channel. I have 3.9, similar monetizing creators 7.9. So we need to gear up and begin to post consistently so as to make sure that we hit monetization threshold. So this is how you have to do it, right? And you'll be able to check your progress towards monetization. It's pretty easy.